Hello, fourth grade. Here is your Gold Belt video. Today we are playing the Hall of the Mountain King. Anything in the key signature? No sharps, no flats. So all of the Fs will be played F natural. How many beats per measure? 4. What type of note gets the beat? The quarter note. Okay, which one is a quarter note? This is a quarter note. Okay, these are half of that, which is what? Eighth notes. Okay, so it takes 2 of them to make a beat. Notice how it has 1 line over the top? That means that it's an 8th note. If it had 2 lines over the top, it would mean they were 16th notes, and those are half as long as an 8th note. Okay, so do we have 1 line or 2 lines across the top of here? 1 line. So what does that mean those are? Those are 8th notes. Usually we group 4 notes together for 16th notes, but in this song we've grouped them more in 2 beats here because there are so many 8th notes in a row. Okay? Just to kind of show you what that is. So these are going to be counted as 1 and 2 and, not 1 and a, like you might have thought. We do 1 and a for the 16th notes, but this is only 1 line across the top, so that means it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. They're the same length as these notes. These are all 8th notes. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to start the metronome at 70 beats per minute. And we are going to count this. 1, 2, ready, count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Alright? I want you to pause that and try it again because that was a lot. So just practice that a couple times. So pause now. Try that again. And then we're going to move on and do the next part where we're going to sing the notes. Okay, there are no new notes here. What is that note? We've played it before. D. So that's D, E, F, G, A. It's kind of like a D minor scale right here. Okay, so here we go. Sorry. Okay. So you're going to point and I'm going to sing with them. Here we go. 1, 2, we're going to go slow. D, E, F, G, A, F, A, G, E, G, F, D, F, D, E, F, G, A, F, A, D, C, A, F, A, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, A, G, E, G, F, D, F, D, E, F, G, A, F, A, D, C, A, F, G, F, D. Okay, I hope you were singing with me. That's the slow version. If you weren't singing, I want you to go back and sing it, okay? Sing the notes. You can even chin up with your recorder and use your fingers to play along while you're singing, okay? But it's important that you do this step so that you learn these notes really well. Okay, so Harper's going to point again. We're going to do these notes more to the speed now, singing them. Okay, here we go. 2, ready, sing. D, E, F, G, A, F, A, G, E, G, F, D, F, D, E, F, G, A, F, A, D, C, A, F, A, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, A, G, E, G, F, D, F, D, E, F, G, A, F, A, D, C, A, G, F, D. Okay, we're done singing. This time we're going to get our recorders out. Harper is going to videotape and point at the same time. All right. No new notes here. You should know how to play a D. Let me hear a low D. Okay, we're at 70 beats per minute. Let's start that up. Sounds like this. Maybe? Yes? Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, that should have been a little challenging for you at that speed. That is the speed that I want you to play it when you test this. So let's see. We do have 2 different fingerings for F natural. If Harper could do video over here for a second. Okay, so F natural, you can either play it like this with your pinky up, or like this with your pinky down. Okay, I teach it both ways. Either way is acceptable. I used to just do it like this with the pinky up. It's easier that way, but it's sharper. And kids tend to blow a little too hard in their recorder, making the pitch sharp. So then over time I kind of had people put their pinkies down. But for this song, I play it with my pinky up because it's a lot of just moving back and forth. And to get your pinky down is kind of tricky. You have to practice that a lot longer. So I'm okay with doing your F like this now with your pinky up. Okay, come on over. We're gonna play it one more time. And then happy practicing for you. Here we go. Point for me, Harper. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. All right, good luck, everybody.